What's up, guys? I just wanted to drop by and give you just a little bare beginner's walkthrough of some basic Wondershare Filmora functions. This is my favorite video editor. My favorite I've used in a while. I've used 4 or 5 different ones. This one seems to be a happy medium of lots of features, but yet still super easy to navigate and easy to learn. I've used some free ones that are way more complicated than this and won't do near as much. So this is just a cool one. It's pretty cheap. It's like $19. I think you get it for a year for $19. So it's worth it, really. They're putting out updates. Some of them are free, some of them aren't. But here's a few just basic features. I opened her up. I hit full feature mode. Okay. Just fit that to the screen there. Okay. Now, you can see right here, these are just songs I've already imported. It's super easy to import songs or footage. You just do it from make sure you have this red media tab and hit import media files, and then you've got your stuff. You just select it and open it, and it'll put it right there. This can fill up fast, so I just import what I'm using for this project, and then I'll go back and delete. So this is a video right here. You just click, add it to your timeline, and there it is. Now, let's say this is the only video clip you're working on, and you're going to do some fine-tune stuff. If you want to scale your timeline exactly to the length of this clip, you just hit right here, zoom to fit, and there you go. Otherwise, if you want to zoom in and zoom out of your timeline, this little bar right here. So you can see there's 12-hour timeline. There's down to 5 to 10 seconds. So it's a good scale. Or you can just hit the positive and negative right there. You also have a line for transitions, a line for text, a couple different music lines. Let's say I want to put a song in here. Right there it is. Got your preview over here. A little loud, but it's a video I shot with my DJI Mavic Pro drone. Honeymoon Island in Florida. Some music with it. Yeah, so anyway, it's that simple. If you want to adjust the volumes and stuff of your music, it's right here. You hit that. You can change your video volume, your picture-in-picture volume, music 1, music 2, and your master volume. So that's super handy. Now you can go right here to music. This is some of the music they have loaded up. So I import my own music, so it's it doesn't get tagged on YouTube. I can use it for monetary purposes. Text and credit. Now this is kind of cool. You can use any of these text things they have. They're all free, of course. But the good thing is, like you say, I want to put a title right here. And it's got to download it. It takes a second. Some of them it already has, and some of it has to download. Come on. Gotta love internet. Okay, so there's my text right there. So if I preview it, that's how it comes up until I edit it all. So you can double click on that and you get to your editing screen. Here you can just simply change the text. Click on this text. You can literally just move it around on the screen if you need to. Now if you want to go to super advanced, just hit advanced right here. It's going to take you up to this. Now this lets you basically do anything from changing when the words come up to changing the color. You want to put a border around Florida here, make it dark blue. I can do the same thing with Honeymoon Island. I want to make it lime green. I can change when the words come up. I can change the font. You can do everything to your text right here. You can get really deep into it. Yeah, so if you want to get super advanced in your text editing stuff, right there is where you can do it. Okay, exit out of that. Transitions. Okay, show you transitions. We'll add another. I think I have another video to add. So make sure whenever you add anything, you have this little timeline selector where you want to add it, because it's not automatically going to add it to the end. It'll add it exactly where your selector is. Put the selector there. Add another video. Now, as long as you have your selector close to the split in the video, whatever transition you choose is going to end up there. For example, let's do the crazy parametric fun. You can see it popped right there. Now play the video and you can see the effect. And there we go. Simple as that. So go put those between your videos. Pretty fun. Filters, I don't really mess with these a whole lot because most of my videos I want to see it exactly how the camera saw it. I'm not trying to filter it or cheapen it much, but they have a bunch of cool, interesting ones if you're really artsy. Overlays are kind of the same thing. You can blur the edges. It's more kind of filters and effects. They have a lot of cool ones, you know, if you're into that. Elements, most of these are free. They do have some towards the bottom that you have to pay for, but you can get just basically all these cool little effects and symbols and stuff. So I don't know, you can definitely find some cool stuff there. Split screen, I haven't really tried this much. I haven't really needed to, but say if I wanted to video myself talking to you right now, I could do that. Or I could just have two videos playing at once of different things. You know, their options are really endless. So you could really get creative with that. And then when you're done, when you get your video, everything's set up the way you want, you go to export, and you've got all these formats to put it in. Most of the time, everybody will just use MP4. So you can go to your settings right here, select best, better, good. It's going to change your resolution settings and your bit rate, maybe your frame rate. And you can set up everything right here. This is a lot of options for 20 bucks, guys. You can output or export your file to work best on phones, to work it as best you can automatically upload it to YouTube without having to do anything. It'll upload it from right here. Same with Facebook, Vimeo, or burn to a DVD. I usually just export the file and then go to YouTube or something and upload it there. It's just easy. So yeah, guys, that's a basic overlook. Obviously, this program has some power and will do a lot more than what I just showed you. But my point is, it's a good beginner program to get started. It's not hard to understand. Once you click around, practice, make 2 or 3 videos on this thing, you're going to have no problem at all navigating it, and you'll be an expert before you know it. Thanks for watching, guys.